My main purpose for stirring the pot was that we want to change the way the whole wood industry reacts. So we do not only want great jobs like pilot projects like Convention Center, like UBC. We want to change the way the regular buildings are done for typical site in the city of Vancouver, in Victoria, in North Vancouver, and we want wood to be considered for regular development developers and the people that look at the bottom line. They have a small commercial building, they want to develop it. Right now, all they see is masonry, steel and concrete. We want to change that. We want wood, we want new materials to go into this market, because this is where the volume is. This is where most of us engineers and architects work. So that was the purpose. And we need to do a lot of things to make it happen. One thing is perception of price. The perception that wood is always too expensive. The other one is that there is not enough competition. There are not enough suppliers, not enough erectors, not enough designers. So with more education, with putting it in the code, with more competition, with doing more standardized designs that the owners will know that this is so much per square foot. It is known for concrete, it is known for masonry, it is unknown for all these new wood technologies. What I mean by mass customization is not so much that you have house A, B, and C, and then you just have to choose, right? Whatever of these will be. It is the systems. It is whatever geometry you want. It is whatever shape you want, but it is with the materials. If it's cross-laminated timber or is it with the composite systems, you can achieve that with standard solutions, with standard elements, without compromising architecture, without compromising your space and the creativity. And it is possible. And we are already working on it. Oliver Lang from his office is working on it. It is possible.
My talk was about what I believe is a historic opportunity to take the wood industry and advance it, because we have some real challenges with affordability, urbanization, but also the sustainability issues that we need to address with global warming, that the wood can make an incredible contribution to it. 37% of carbon emissions come from buildings, and we need to find different ways of constructing our environment. And with wood, you can build in a very different way. You can actually move off-site. You can build in a factory environment, and you can add know-how and technology to the product that I think will elevate it completely from what it is right now, which is a sort of a low-end product. We use it in light frame applications, into something in which is actually almost becoming a high-tech product, where we use the available digital technology. We can use robotics, we can use parametric design ideas and so forth to add to the way how we design the building, how we integrate, how we collaborate, and wood really represents itself right now as an outstanding material to work with. We really think if you want to use the material right, you have to really reset and rethink how we use the material. And one thing we've developed over the last 7-8 years is an approach about platform design. Platform design really means that you develop the underlying principles of something shared that you can use across a whole variety of applications. Because if we want to bring the product to a larger market, we don't want everybody to live the same. People have a real need for individuality and identifying with what's theirs. Municipalities have different codes and bylaws. Neighborhoods are different. So we need an incredible amount of adaptability and flexibility. And the only way to get there, and not having this dichotomy where you have something that's systematic and then it all looks the same and it's repetition. We don't want that. We want something that's systematic, and we have the advantage of repetition, but bring adaptability and flexibility. And platform design is used in many other industries right now very, very successfully to create that sort of degree of diversity that you need. But all the shared R&D work that you need to do, all the investment in the engineering, the design issues, and the testing, in buildings, fire testing, earthquake testing, and so forth, can be done. A lot can be done actually on the computer today, testing the platforms, and then you use the adaptability, and it goes in sort of very deep degrees of layering of how in a collaborative process input can be brought then to the platform from the end user, clients, municipalities, and so forth. And then the platform itself can evolve.